Hey you guys, we are on number 2 of our giveaway. If you're new to the channel, my name is Darla, welcome. And if you're coming back to me for another go around, welcome back. So we are on number 2 of our Christmas giveaway, and what I have for you today is Carolina Herrera's new fragrance. So what I was able to get my hands on, which is so adorable. So it's Good Girl by Carolina Herrera. First off, it is this beautiful little velvet purse. If I can get it out of here. Has your little strap here, has a zipper, and I mean, keys, lipstick, phone. I think that's about all that's gonna fit in there. Maybe some cash, cards. There is that. Black velvet with gold trimming, so adorable. And then the reason I scored that was, look at this. So her new fragrance is called Good Girl. And oh my gosh, it's so adorable. It's a little stiletto heel. So this is a mini, but it would be so beautiful sitting on your vanity or in your bathroom or on a shelf. The fragrance is inside. The fragrance is very nice as well. When I saw this, I thought, it's just too adorable to pass it up. You know, when I'm looking at these giveaways, I'm always looking at something I would want. And I really feel like this is adorable. So it comes in a little ornament. The shoe's a little crooked because I haven't attempted to get in there and try and take it out. But the fragrance is inside. It's so adorable, you guys. It's really cute. And it smells wonderful. If you haven't smelled it, this will be your chance. That is number 2 for the giveaway. I'm gonna put it back in its little spot here and then get to the important business. So you'll get the velvet bag and the fragrance in the ornament. So it will come like this. So let me hold it. Like this and like this. And it does have a little, what are these called? What are these called? I can't remember. It has this to hold the purse, so the velvet won't get all dusty.
We call it a bag in the US.
Oh, okay, so it has a bag to hold the velvet, so it doesn't get all dusty. I'm gonna go over the requirements again. I know yesterday I did visuals, and I'm gonna do that again today because it's just easier. I don't know, for me it seems like it's easier for you. So 4 requirements to enter. Number 1, subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Number 2, like this video please. Thumbs up, like it. Number 3, comment. So the comment today is, how old were you when you got your first fragrance? And do you remember what it was? Mine, I can't remember the name, but it was an Avon fragrance. My mother sold Avon. Charlie, that was the name of it. Is that an Avon fragrance? Okay, I don't know if it was an Avon fragrance, but my mom did sell Avon. I'll have to research that. And then lastly, follow on Instagram. Again, I'm gonna use your tag name on Instagram to notify you if you win. So I do need you to do that. As I said yesterday, this is US only, unfortunately. Hopefully next year we will make it international and we'll be going all over the globe. It'll be great. Take care, good luck, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.